Immigration just took over the U.S. bishops' annual meeting, and their message was bold. At the Fall Assembly in Baltimore, America's Catholic bishops put immigration front and center. They told Pope Leo XIV, the first U.S.-born pope, that they'll stand with migrants and defend the right to worship free from fear. Bishops warned that migrants are afraid to leave home or attend church, and said secure borders can't come at the cost of dignity or faith. Bishop Kevin Rhoades said, "Denying sacraments to detained immigrants is now a top concern after clergy were twice blocked from bringing the Eucharist into Chicago detention centers." Bishop Mark Seitz of El Paso condemned mass deportation policies and launched You Are Not Alone, a church initiative for family support, pastoral care, and solidarity with migrants. He also expressed optimism about clearing religious worker visa backlogs. The bishops elected Archbishop Paul Coakley as president and Bishop Daniel Flores as vice president, pledging unity and civil dialogue. Cardinal Christophe Pierre reminded them that Vatican II remains their guide for compassion and service. They also discussed updates to the ethical and religious directives for Catholic healthcare and revealed a new Catholic American Bible coming in 2027. Their final message: law and order matter, but human dignity and faith must come first. When worship is restricted, we cannot stay silent.